This 2023 Holiday Rambler Nautica 35 Mega Siemens is a Class A RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44,720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Holiday Rambler Nautica 35 Mega Siemens is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.